In this video, I will show you how to move your taskbar from center to left using Windows 11. Let's go ahead and start. So on your desktop screen, go ahead and click Start menu and then Settings. After Settings, on the left side, you will click Personalization and then scroll down and look for Taskbar, which is right here. Click that, and now at the bottom, you will look for Taskbar Behaviors. Go ahead and click that to show the options, and we're gonna look for Taskbar Alignment. That is the settings for moving your icons from center to left. So right now it is selected to center. Let's go ahead and click the drop down arrow and then select left. As you can see, all my icons moved from center to left. That's all for today. So if you want to have more tutorial like this, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you.